Hello class 9. So unit 4 electronic spreadsheet. So our today's topic is sorting data in MS Excel. So basically what is sorting data means? Imagine that you have a large number of data in your computer and you have to organize it. So is there any way to organize your data? Yes, it is. So in Excel, Excel has given a feature called sorting. So let's see how in a practically also. So in order to organize data in a better way, Excel is having a feature called sorting. Sorting means arranging the data of a given field in the ascending order or in the descending order. That means largest to smallest and smallest to largest. So let's see in a practically. So I have already created a data as you can see in your screen, that is a mark sheet 1. Name has given, the subject name has given total, minimum, maximum, average and percentage. So now you can see in the place of name it is not organized, that means and, R, A, then S. It is not in ascending order as you can see in your screen. So let's arrange the name first. For this you have to select the column. So entire column I have selected. Now it is in data tab, so I have to click on the data tab and you can see in the group sort and filter. So if I'll click A to Z, so let's observe what will happen. So continue with the current selection. So now can you see the observation? Aditya, Angel, then B, then after that C. So now it is arranged in order. So this way you can organize your worksheet, not only a single column. In the multiple column you can apply the sorting feature. So sorting can be applied in a 3 ways. So the first one is arranging a worksheet, then range wise and the add level. So if you click on the sort, can you see the dialog box? Now it is only name because I have selected the column only name. So let me select the whole worksheet. Okay, I have selected the whole worksheet. Now let me go to the sort again. Okay, if I'll click in the black dot, can you able to see? Now each and every heading you can able to see, is not it? So this way you can sort by each and every heading. So percentage also, average also, minimum, maximum. So this is called sorting by range. And next, sorting by level. That means level, sorting by level also will be possible. So let me show sorting by level. If I click on the sort, so again the dialog box appears. So can you see add level? If I add level, if I click on the add level, so I can add more column one by one. So this way you can apply add level. Now it's up to you. So order you have to choose whether it is smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So this way sorting can be applied to your worksheet to arrange, to organize your data. Thank you.